All of Hololive is your home. And yeah! Bye-bye! Perfectly timed sneeze.
It just happens, okay?
Yeah. You know.
Vision sneeze. I was trying to get it done.
Thank goodness we didn't break the dimension so hard that the ruffians can feel that. Right.
Actually, for MC, I really had to sneeze.
But you did your best, right, Mococo
I did my best.
Yeah.
I didn't sneeze.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? That would be so embarrassing.
What's up with everybody? I think Mococo has to sneeze here.
Yeah, that would be so embarrassing. I can't imagine it. Tragic. It would be tragic.
It would be.
Oh,
Speak, not sneeze.
yeah.
Yeah.